This video is intended for any DBAs or patch administrators struggling to patch their fleet of Oracle databases. In this video, you will learn how to unleash the power of Oracle Enterprise Manager's fleet maintenance to effortlessly identify and apply patches. To access the features demonstrated in this video, you must have the Database Lifecycle Management DBLM license for Enterprise Manager. Let's get started. Go to Enterprise Manager and enter your login credentials. Next, click Credentials to enter or confirm your MOS credentials are saved. This establishes connectivity with MOS and is required to receive the patch recommendations. Next, go to Targets and then click Databases. Now, go to Administration and click Fleet Maintenance Hub. Fleet maintenance serves as a singular solution for safeguarding your database assets. The databases can be hosted in a data center, the cloud, or a hybrid environment. For example, you can use conventional databases, Exadata Cloud at Customer, the Exadata Cloud Service, or databases hosted on any other cloud platforms, including OCI or AWS. Fleet maintenance also supports multi-tenant architectures, including pluggable databases, PDBs, or container databases, CDBs. Next, let's take a look at the list of images with security patch recommendations. If an image has all the recommended patches installed, then it displays as green. If not, it displays as red. Let's take a look at the first image from the list of images that require security patch updates. I see 2 patches are recommended. Click 2. Now, I see the recommended patch details. To apply the recommended patches, go to the Actions menu and then click Create New Version to refresh this image. Now I see the recommendations. Next, select an image source. In this example, I select Oracle Home as the image source, and then I select the options to install the patches. In this example, I select to include the recommended patches, and I select the option to clone this Oracle Home and to apply the patches to the cloned Oracle Home. Next, I can add any details, including the version name and the storage destination for the new image that will be created when the patches are installed. Next, if I want to install any additional patches, I can select Add Custom Patches. In this example, I see the recommended patches are saved in the software library. Click Next to apply the patches. Now I see the operation was successful. Let's promote this new image to the current deployment. To do that, go back to Fleet Maintenance Hub. Find the image with the status change in the patch recommendation column. I see the tooltip that's suggesting the next action. To enable this newly patched image as the current image, click the Actions menu and then select Make Image Version Current. When this process is complete, I will see a green check mark under the patch recommendations. Now this image is ready to update the database targets. To do this, go to the Actions menu and select Update/Upgrade Databases. Select the target, review the patching details, and then double-click to complete the patching operation. Click Submit. Go back to the Fleet Maintenance Hub. Now, I see that target compliance for the same image displays all green. Click Patch Compliance with Images to see the database is updated and is now also compliant. In this video, you learned how to use the Database Lifecycle Management to apply security patches to your databases. Check the links in the description for more information about the Live Labs. In Live Labs, you can access a live environment to test this feature in Enterprise Manager.